Now, the world is facing the worst pandemic ever in history. There are some who are inspiring even during these difficult times. Here is one such story from nurses from the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Take a look at this ground report by Idris Loan.
The entire world is battling the worst ever pandemic in history. Miseries, despair and hopelessness have gripped every country. But there are some who continue to inspire even during these difficult times. Two nurses from the Kashmir Valley are setting a new bar of dedication towards their work. Shagufta Khan, a nurse in Srinagar, has managed to help deliver more than 100 babies of COVID-positive mothers at the Jawaharlal Nehru Hospital. She has been working in the COVID ward of neonatology since the beginning of the pandemic. Not only is she helping new mothers battle COVID, she is also taking care of their newborns.
In the beginning, it was difficult for all of us. Even health workers were scared. None of us knew what and how we should be tackling it. But then we understood the challenge before us and delivered on our duties. The most difficult was to counsel shattered expecting mothers rather than their treatment. Once such patients know they are COVID positive, they become very depressed and it is challenging to bring them out of it.
She says it would have been impossible without the unconditional support from her family.
My family supported me in this. Otherwise, it wouldn't be possible. They helped and understood the challenge. My mother-in-law and father-in-law have been such a support. They both acted as pillars of support.
50 kilometers away from Srinagar, in the Pulwama district in Kashmir, another frontline worker has dedicated herself to fight the pandemic. Tabassum Ara has vaccinated more than 6,000 people in her district, which is a record in itself.
I've been working non-stop and vaccinating people. Thankfully, we are very close to achieving all our targets and we will carry on. There are so many rumors about vaccines. Some people have been saying it makes people infertile, while others say they can die. I have been trying to convince the people to not pay heed to any such rumors and get themselves vaccinated.
With the efforts of health workers like Tabassum, Pulwama has now vaccinated 80% of its people above the age of 45 years.
In the ongoing pandemic, we keep hearing stories of distress, but there are some inspirational stories too. These two nurses are so dedicated to their job that while one is helping in delivering babies, the other says she won't stop until the whole district is vaccinated. With video journalist Feroz, Idris Loan, WION World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.